Hello everyone. So today we are going to start the integration NCERT exercise 7.7 with their concept. First we will derive all the formulas and then we will apply in the exercise. So the very first formula that we have to apply here is under root of the first one, under root of x square minus a square into ds. How we can simplify it? So here we are going to apply the by parts. So I am saying this is I. So by parts concept, for applying the by parts we need the two functions. So there is only one function. So I am multiplying with one. So it will become x square minus a square into dx. Right? Now there are two functions. So I am going to consider this is first function and this one as the second function. Now we can apply the by parts. So for the by parts, we are taking the first function outside here, this x square minus a square and integration of the second function, that is 1 into dx, and then minus integration inside integration bracket d dx of the first function. So here first function is under root of x square minus a square, and inside that only again d dx of, sorry, integration of 1 into dx, bracket close into dx. This is the by parts concept. Now here this first term is out of the integration only, so this will be as it is, and from here we will get x. And now inside derivations of under root of x square minus a square will become 2 time of under root, 2 time of the root terms, that is x square minus, this is x square minus a square, and by the chain rule differentiation of x square is 2x and a will become 0, right? So this, and from this integration of 1 dx we are getting x into dx. So what is the common terms here? If you see carefully, this 2 is common in both numerator and denominator, so we can cancel, and this x and x will become x square. So in the next step we can write this is equal to, or this is means what, I, everywhere we will copy this. This is I, so I is equal to what? I is equal to under root of x square minus a square into x. And here we have now integration of x square divided by under root of x square minus a square into dx. Now what we have to do? So we are going to add and subtract some terms in the second term here, so that we can simplify it. Means here I am going to add, sorry, minus a square. Why I am doing this? Because in the denominator we have x square minus a square, so I want to make it equal to this, and then I am adding a square, so that addition and subtraction it is overall 0 only. So in the next step we can write, and here the same time we should take the bracket also, because there will be sign difference otherwise. So here that bracket part we need to solve actually. This first part will be as it is, means this is x and under root of x square minus a square, no changes in that, this is as it is. But here integrate inside bracket we can write it as x square minus a square, this is divided by x square minus a square. Separately I am taking these first two terms and into dx, and then I will take the a square here, and this is divided by under root of x square minus a square. There is no confusion in that, right? Just we have splitted this term, means x square minus a square divided by this denominator, and this a separately divided by this. Now we are going to rationalize this part. So what will be the rationalization of that? Multiply and divide with by the under root of x square minus a square. So it will become, first term will be as it is, x square minus a square. Here inside bracket we will get integration of under root of x square minus a square. Alright, under root of x square minus 1 square into dx. And here plus I am writing this a square outside, and this is 1 upon under root of x square. In the previous exercise already we have studied this, the third type of the derivations. Means now we can replace these values with their standard formula, or here there are two replacement actually. Here This is nothing but if you see carefully, this is given original questions only. That means here we can replace it I. This is equal to given I only. This is equal to this I, right? So, and here we can apply the formula. That is, so here it will become, and there is a minus sign. So because of that, this will become minus I. So minus I and minus I, it will become 2I. 2I is equal to what? So 2I is equal to x and under root of x, and then actually under root of x square minus a square. Correct? X square minus a square, and then since we have taken this first term, now second term we have here with the minus sign. So a square, and what is the integration of 1 upon under root of x square minus a square. So we know the integration of this. This is equal to what? Log, because already we have learned this, log mod x plus as it is, means under root of x square minus a square, x square minus a square, and then at last plus c we are adding, right? But here we have the values of the 2I, but we want the values of just I. So finally I is equal to what we can say? I is equal to x by 2 under root of x square minus a square, and here minus a square divided by 2 log of mod x plus under root of x square minus a square, x square minus a square and plus c. So this is the first formula that we derive, and but in the questions directly we will apply. So this I means what? Integration. This is our I, right? That means integration of under root of x square minus a square into dx is equal to x by 2, and the values as it is. Under root values as it is minus a square by 2 log mod x, and then plus under root terms, complete under root data as it is. We are copy pasting, and then plus c. So similarly, now we can write the second formula, means in place of, if we have integration of under root of x square, instead of x square minus, if it is plus, then what will be the formula? Into dx. Then formula will be similar, exactly similar, just only plus and minus difference will come, means it is x by 2 and under root of data as it is. So data given is here x square minus a square, plus sign will come this time here, plus a square by 2, and here I am writing log in multiplication only. So log and then x plus under root of x square minus a square. All right, and then plus c. So this is the second formula. And third, if let us suppose we have given in this form under root of a square minus x square. First one is x square minus a square, but here a square is first and this is x square like this. Then how we can uh, derive the formula? So similarly here also exactly same, just x by 2 and under root of data as it is, that means a square minus x square plus a square, or plus, yeah, plus only, it is plus only. So plus a square by 2, a square by 2, and since we know that if we have 1 upon under root of a square minus x square, so their integration is sine inverse x by a. So it is sine inverse x by a. So these three formula that we have to apply in this exercise, right? So the exercise problem we are going to start, or before that exercise, actually we will solve the, so directly we can start the exercise only, there is no problem. So exercise 7.7, the very first questions what we have given here. So first question is, just one second. Here I is equal to, that is, let I integration, this is equal to integrate under root of 4 minus x square into dx, right? So here actually we need to simplify a little bit. How we can do that? We can write it as 2 square minus x square. Now you can see it is the third formula that we derived, a square minus x square. And what is the answer for a square minus x square? So answer is here x by 2. Always we are writing the first term x by 2, variable by 2, under root of the data as it is. So this is nothing but the first term only. That means here we can write 4 minus x square. And then here we are writing plus, since a square minus x square is there. So a square that means 4 divided by 2, and then sine inverse x by a. Sine inverse x by a is what? So 2. And then at last plus c. So this is the answer. Here we can just simplify one more step. We can write x by 2 under root of 4 minus x square. And this will become 2 time of the sine inverse x by 2 and plus c. So this is the first question. Now, what is the next second question here? So in this exercise, second question is what have we done? So second questions we have given I is equal to, or let I is equal to integration of 1 minus 4x square. 1 minus 4x square into dx. So actually first we need to make the x square coefficient 1. So for that what we need to do here? We are going to take the 4 common from this. So if we are taking 4 common, here it will become 1 by 4 and here it will become x square and into dx. Right now this 4 will come outside as 2. So here it will become integration of 2 integration 2, and since it is a constant we can take outside also, and inside root 1 by 4 we can write as 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 whole square minus x square into dx. Now we can apply the formula. We can see here very clearly it is again in the same formula, type of the formula, that is x square minus a square minus x square. So according to that, this 2 will be first of all outside. Here we are using one, going to use one bracket. That means it will become x by 2 and under root of 1 minus 1 minus under root of this term as it is. That means it is 1 upon 4 we can say, and minus x square. So it is as it is, plus here a square. A square means 1 by 4, a square divided by 2, 1 by 4, and sine inverse a square minus x square. That means sine inverse of x by 1 by 2 plus c. So now here it will become, this 2 and 2 will get cancelled out. So it will become x under root of, here we have written x by 2. 2 is outside and here it is x by 2 under root of 4, and then when we are taking, so here x under root of, we are going to take LCM also, 1 minus 4x square, and from here also 2 will come outside because 4 is in the LCM inside root, so it will come outside and it will become 1 by 8 sine inverse, 2x, and then plus c. So this is the second question. Now we'll move to the next, that is question number third. So what is the question number third? I is equal to integration, let integration of under root of x square plus 4x plus 6 into dx. So again we have to complete the square here. Completing the square method we need to apply. So how we are applying that method? So first of all, x square will be as it is. Here we need two AB terms. That means 4 can be written as 2 into x, and then here b square, that is 2 square. We are adding 2 square, so we have to subtract also 2 square, and then plus this as it is, and then into dx. So now it will become integration of under root of, it is x plus 2 whole square and 4 plus 6, that is 2. So 2 we can write as root 2 whole square. Root 2 whole square is 2 only into dx. Now we can apply the formulas directly. This this term is nothing but it is just x. We can consider it as x, but we can take it as y also, but directly also we can write our answer. So it will become x plus 2 divided by what? 2. And then under root of, because this is the simplified form of this one only. Means we can write x square plus 4x plus 6. And then it is minus here, so we will write minus a square. A square means 2 divided by divide a square 2 divided by 2, and then log of mod x. Here we should take actually bracket because it is multiplied with both. In previous questions also did we so now here only. So now here we are taking x plus 2, and then what next? Under root of x square plus 4x plus 6, and then plus c. So next step that we can, what we can do here, we can just simplify this. So it will become 1. That's it. And this will be our final answer. Now we are going to move on the question number next. That is question number 4. So what is question number 4 here? So we have given 4. I is equal to integration of what? Under root of x square plus 4x plus 1 into dx. So first we are going to apply completing the square method. That means it will become integration of, here it is x square, and then 4 can be written as 2 into 2 into x, and here we are going to add 2 squares, so we have to subtract 2 square and then plus 1 and then into dx. Now next what we can do, integration of under root of, it will become x plus 2 whole square, and here it is minus 2 4 minus 4 and plus 1, that means minus 3, so we can write root 3 whole square. Now we can apply the formula directly. It is in the form of x square minus a square. We can consider this is x, so here x plus 2 and then divided by 2 under root of given question, that is x square plus 4x plus 1. And here after that we are writing, since middle sign is minus, so minus what? Minus a square, that is 3 by 2, and log of mod x, that is x plus 2, and plus the given question. Given question is x square plus 4x plus 1 and mod and plus c. So this is the answer of the question number 4. Now we'll move to the question number 5. What is question number 5? So here in the question number 5, we are given, so first of all let I is equal to what? Integration of under root of 1 minus 4x minus x square into ds. Here also we need to complete the square first. So for that, first, we have to write in the proper quadratic form. So we are going to take the minus common, and I am writing first x square, and then sign will change. Minus 4x will become plus 4x, and plus 1 will become minus 1 into what? So into dx. Now what we can do here? Integration of under root of this minus will be as it is, but here we can apply the completing the middle square, x square plus 2 into 2 into x plus 2 square, and we have to subtract 2 square also, and then minus 1 and into dx. So finally integration of, now this minus there it is, here it will become x plus 2 whole square, and then from here root 5 whole square, because 4 square minus 1, so 5, so 5 we can write as root 5 whole square. Now we can do just one more step. What is that? Here under root of, we are going to multiply with minus sign, so minus root 5 will become plus root 5 whole square, and here it will be x plus 2 whole square into dx. Now what we can do is next here what we can do here, so it will become a square is there, that means first first term will be as it is, x plus 2 divided by 2 and under root of what? Sorry, under root of the given questions. So given question is 1 minus 4x minus x square, and here plus a square, that means 5 by 2, and here we have sine inverse x, that means x plus 2 divided by 2, x by a, here actually x by a, so a is root 5, so root 5, and then plus c. So this is question number 5. Now we'll move to the next question, that is question number 6. So the question number 6, here we have 6, let I is equal to what we have given here. So integration of under root of x square plus 4x x square plus 4x plus 4x minus 5 into dx. Here also we need to complete the square first. That means it will become integration of under root of x square plus 2 into 2 into x plus 2 square minus 2 square minus 5 into dx. That means here it will become integration under root of x plus 2 whole square minus 9. So minus 9 we can write as 3 square into dx. So now we can apply the formula. It will become x plus 2 by 2 and complete given question as it is. That means x square plus 4x minus 5 and x square minus 8. Here a square and then log will come. So a square is what? A square in the previous questions. So a square, that means this once again. A square is here 9. So it will become 9 by 2 and under root of the given question is, sorry, here log also we need to take, no? Then log a by 2 log of mm, log of what? So log of x, that means x plus 2 and then plus the given question, that is under root of x square plus 4x minus 5 and plus c. So this is the question number 6 answer. Right, now next question number 7. So the question number 7 we have given here. So the question number 7, 8 and 9 all are actually same. I will solve the question number 10 MCQ questions. So question number 10, what we have given here, I is equal to integration of under root of 1 plus x square into dx. That means here we have to complete this square here also, or actually we don't need to complete also. It is yeah, we need to complete this square method. That means x square, this can be multiply with 2 and then divide 1 with 2 and then again 1. So it is overall nothing but 1 only. That means here we need to add 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square. So add and subtract just we need to do here, and then dx will be as it is. So here integration of what? It is nothing but x plus 1 by 2, x plus 1 by 2 whole square and minus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square into dx. So finally you can see it is x square minus a square. So x square minus a square, that means answer will be x by 2. So x plus 1 by 2 by 2 and then given questions, that means 1 plus this and then here plus, sorry, minus sign is there. So here minus a square, that means a square means 1 by 4 and this is divided by 2. Log of what? So log of x, that means x plus 1 by 2 and plus what? Plus the given question. That means the root of 1 plus x square. plus c. That means here, after taking the LCM, it will become 2x plus 1 and 2 into 2, 4. And under root of, here bracket close, and 1 plus x square minus 1 by 8 log mod 2x plus 1 by 2, and here this bracket 2n, here we don't need to take any sign, just 2n plus 1 by 2, and then here plus under root of 1 plus x square mod plus c. So this is the answer. Question number 11 is exactly same. So I will end this session here only. Thank you.